But yeah, today we're gonna go to Clark International Speedway as we will be shooting the Alberta race training for the Ducati Cup. Another thing is we're gonna be testing this bike out on the highway and see how it feels to be using a very sporty, non-faired, well, there are fairings naman, pero it's not the aero kind. What did we learn about the Ducati Hypermotard RVE in the highway? Well, you really have to duck down if you want to go fast, but it has all the power you need to get your license revoked. What's up guys, good morning. Today is a very special day. Before we get started on that day, we need to get better gloves, as my gloves have already started falling apart, and I'd rather have more protection on my fingers. So we're gonna get a nice pair of gloves. We're meeting the seller that has agreed to meet us in the early morning. Actually, I'm late. We're supposed to meet at 5:30, but I'm late. So I'll catch you guys in a bit to tell you more about where we're going and what we're doing. Morning. Morning, sir.
Sir, ito po. Ito po yung medium na all black.
Sige, subukan ko muna yung medium. Sana medium lang. Mas gusto ko yung masikip eh.
Kasi sir, large yung ano ko, pero sa medium kasi sir, sakto lang din po eh. Kumbaga yung haba lang po, yung pinagkaiba nila. Sige po, sir.
Para masikip.
Ito po yung large.
Yung white na lang yung try ka na large. Para isang suotan na lang. Mas maganda ata yung white. Gusto ko makita personal eh. Kasi parang
Bagay na bagay po sa tiro nyo.
masikip rin naman yung large. Large to, no?
Opo, large po.
Okay. You sit. Tanggalin ka na kaya.
Opo, sige po, okay lang.
Sorry na late ako kuya.
Okay lang po, wala po problema sir. Kasi yung village po pala dito sa LDV, 5:30 po yung nagbubukas.
5:30 ba nagbubuka?
Opo.
Yung daanan.
Opo, 5:30 po pala siya. Kaya sabi ko sakto lang po pala.
What's up guys? So as you are now seeing, I've got new gloves on. New gloves! Woo! So the reason why I bought gloves is because while my old gloves were cheap, and the cheapest I can find na I will wear. So those are, I'm not gonna even tell you what they are because they're not even legit. Pero they started to, the stitching has started to give way. Namaho na siya, mabaho na siya. Mabaho niya talaga. Hindi nakakatawa yung amoy niya. So ayoko naman mga amoy doon sa truck, no? Medyo gano'n na siya, to the point na if you're around me and I'm wearing that, you'll smell it. Hindi ako mabaho, pero yung gloves ko mabaho. Kasi yun na nga, hindi ko nalaban. Baboy rin ako. Baboy lang. So yeah, today we're gonna go to Clark International Speedway as we will be shooting the Alberta race training for the Ducati Cup that is happening there. So another thing is we're gonna be testing this bike out on the highway and see how it feels to be using a very sporty bike, a very sporty, non-faired, well, there are fairings naman, pero it's not the aero kind. It's the Hypermoto kind. There's no windscreen, so it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna see how it feels to be going at such a high rate of speed for quite a while. Pero gas muna tayo habang mura pa. XCS full tank. So this shouldn't be too bad, but it's already starting to look bad.
$25.
Thank you. So nagpagas na tayo, and we've checked where we're going. So we're gonna conserve memory, so we're gonna turn this off now. So here we go. And Lex, mga cash people. Hindi nag-read, no? Wala rin card reader. So, rekta na tayo. I don't know what to feel about that. And Lex. Let's go. So, we're gonna duck down a bit because wala kang wind protection dito. Sixth gear, top gear, and this is the RPM it cruises in for 100 kilometers per hour. Really gotta get duck down if you wanna. Actually, there's no such thing as wind protection, man. It's a fucking joke. Just lean forward. So yeah, it's a lot of force from the wind, no? Medyo mahirap labanan yung hangin, lalo na pag naka-full naked. Para ako naka-dirt bike, so you can really feel when the drops are passing, or you're passing drops, no? The effect of the wind. So we're gonna try a technique. It's called drafting. It may help us. So the TYDD course, it lets a lot of wind noise in, man. It lets a lot of wind noise in. So 2 kilometers till our Petron. We're gonna stop there, grab some coffee. We're gonna turn this off for now. Kakakuha na namin ng breakfast. Diretso na tayo ng Clark. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but I highly doubt that, as I can't even hear myself. So ibang iba talaga yung feeling pagka naka-motor ka versus naka-kotse ka. Pag naka-motor ka talaga, it's a full sensory experience. You're not just on a road trip. Parang nag-workout, talagang constantly thinking. Yeah, at 160, the wind is very, very heavy. It's got a lot of torque. I'm able to do all of my highway course at 6th gear. So just get low as you can. What did we learn about the Ducati Hypermotard RVE in the highway? Well, you really have to duck down if you want to go fast, but it has all the power you need to get your license revoked. XCS full tank. So let's see. Nice. RFID works. So we're through. Shit, ngayon pa umulan. Ngayon na. Yung basta, man. There it is. That's Clark. We made it. And wala pang rain. Perfect. Alberto race training. So we're here now in Clark. And it's raining. So can't really do anything about that. What you can do is take a shit. What's up guys? So we've arrived here in Clark just in time for the rain. So konting pagkabasa lang yung nangyari sa atin. The bike medyo nabasa, but then that's okay. We can wipe it down for photos. But the more urgent and pressing matter is that natatay ako. So buti na lang may tent dito. Nasilong ko yung bike, nasilong ko yung gamit ko. Wala naman tao dito, so iwan ko na muna gamit ko dito at ako'y tatae. Hopefully may bidet. Sama ba kayo sa akin sa loob? Sana huwag na. So okay naman, grabe lang yung pressure ng tubig dun sa bidet nila. Thank you so much Clark International Speedway for having a bidet. Pero baka pwedeng lagyan ng regulator, masyado mataas yung fuel pressure dun sa hindi naman makina yung bubat namin. Hindi kailangan ng ganun kalakas na pump. Parang injector yung nangyari dun sa sa bidet. At hindi masaya. Yeah, nakatae tayo. So we're ready to start the day.
Zombie apocalypse.